Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up grid trading in Binance. Grid trading is a powerful strategy that automates buying and selling within a predefined price range, helping you capitalize on market fluctuations. It is an excellent way to profit from volatility without needing to constantly watch the charts. We will walk through the entire process, from finding the feature to launching your first grid bot, ensuring you understand each step clearly. To begin, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Trade section. From there, select Strategy Trading to access the various automated tools. You will then choose Spot Grid to initiate your grid trading setup. Next, you will need to select the specific trading pair you wish to use, for example, Bitcoin versus Tether, ensuring you have the necessary funds in your Spot wallet. Now, let's configure your grid parameters. First, set your upper and lower price limits, which define the range where your bot will operate. Then, decide on the number of grids. A common choice is between 10 and 50 grids, depending on your desired density. You will also specify your profit per grid, which is the percentage gain you aim for on each trade, and the total investment amount for the strategy. Before activating, take a moment to carefully review all your configured grid trading settings. Ensure the price range, number of grids, and investment amount align with your strategy. It is crucial to understand the potential risks, such as the price moving significantly outside your defined range. Once you are satisfied, confirm your settings and activate your grid trading bot to begin automating your trades.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.